Hey y'all, this is my case 1270 tractor I'm rebuilding. My last video I showed or talked about removing the front axle, which I have done. Got the railroad ties holding it up. Also, have removed the pistons and three of the sleeves. The two were seized, and the third one, wait, let me think here. Number two. This is number two right here. This is one I did not think was seized. It's not. There's just so much rust. When we were pushing out the, I was pushing out the piston, it just caught on and started pushing it out. Kind of unfortunate, but at the same time, a blessing because major rust on the outside of this. Probably needs to be replaced anyways. All the pistons look pretty good. Neck look really good. No like slap on the sides of them. No scarring on the side. Can't really show it here, but the bearings have, yeah, a little bit of wear, which a little bit. Some of them do. This one has a specific wear spot, so I want to check the crank for round. A few of them. This one here, I'm trying to find it. Yeah, this is the best looking one. Like nowhere. Can't really see that, I don't think, but this one looks amazing. This one looks amazing too. So two of those, the bearings look almost reusable, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace them anyways. This one has a decent amount of wear. The crank does not look like it has any wear on it. Here's the other side of the block. So much stuff in the way. There's one of the journals. There's another. There's another. Good girl. It's so far coming along pretty fast. A lot better than I thought. I'd probably say these two in the middle gave quite a few issues, but I think the biggest problem we had was number 6 cylinder, pushing that one out. That was a pain in my butt. So that sleeve is still in. This sleeve, which I like you can see very well, but this one, the sleeve looks really good. I don't think I may replace the sills, pull that sleeve out, replace the sills. That looks real nice. This one looks decent. That stuff on the side is just some dust. So far, here's the front axle before I head off. Looks pretty good to me. It was not seized. The pin in front was not seized. It was actually fairly easy to push out. Here's all the spacers. Well, that's all I got to show today. I'm going to continue to give updates. And as I go, I guess I could probably say it now for other people that want to know. I just put a pry bar. This pry bar specifically, just inside of here, to turn the flywheel, turn the crank. And that's how I got all the pistons out. That was really helpful. The guy did not give me a starter with this, sadly, but no big deal. Alright, see you guys in the next update.